Hi guys, what's up? I wanna show you a great t-shirts I got. This one and this one on me. And it's not a regular t-shirt. It has this graphics on it and it's color changing. It looks pretty simple right now, but when you expose this t-shirt to light, all the colors came out and this looks fantastic. And it feels amazing. It's very comfortable to wear because it's 100% cotton and it's breathable. And I think this would be a great gift for your family, your friends, your loved one, your brothers, for anyone who are not afraid to be stylish, because this is great. I really love it. Thank you.